Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to add comments. So inside server.js, we will take a const. Okay, so here I'll take a const and the name of the variable I'll take articles info, that is equal to an object. Okay, and here the first property will be learn react. Okay, and that will be an object. And inside this object, we will have a property of comments, and that is going to be an empty array. Okay, let's save this. Now we have two more properties. So let me copy this. So we have two more comments for learn node, and this will be my thoughts on learning React. This is the object. Let me save this file. Now we will create a route using post request. Okay, so let's remove this test routes. Okay, so let me remove all the test routes, and here I will say app.post, so it will be a post request. Okay, and the endpoint will be /API/articles/:name then /add hyphen comments, and then we will have a callback function. So it will be request and response, and this will be an arrow function. And for response body, first we will go to postman and decide what we want in the body. Okay, so let's go to postman, and here we will change this to post request, and the URL will be localhost 8000 /API/articles/learn-node/add comments. Make sure that you have selected body, and inside you have selected raw, and this will be JSON. Okay, and here we will insert some dummy data. So we need the username, so I'll change this to username, and here I'll write me. Okay, so this is a dummy data, then a comma, then here we need the actual post, so I will give the property as text. Then here the text will be I like this article. So now that we have decided what will be inside the body, now let's go to VS Code, and here we want the username and text from request body. So I will restructure it. So const, and then inside the curly braces I'll write username comma text, that is equal to request dot body. Okay, this we will get it from request dot body. Then we need the param name. So here I'll write const article name, that is equal to request dot params dot name. Now to add comments, we are going to write articles info, and in the square bracket I'll write article name dot comment dot comments dot push. Okay, we need to push, sorry, here this will be push, and inside the round brackets I will take curly braces username and text. Okay, I'll push the username and text, and then we will check the status. So response dot status, that is going to be 200. 200 means everything is fine dot send, and here inside the round brackets I will say article info, and in the square bracket I'll write article name. Now let's save this file. Now let's test this route by going to postman. So let's go to postman, and make sure that your application is running. So control and backtick key. So here it says server started at port 8000, otherwise you will get an error. So let's go to postman, and now let's click on the send button. Okay, I got some error. Article info is not defined. Okay, I think there is some spelling mistake. Articles info. Okay, sorry. So it is articles info. Here it is articles info and not article info. Sorry for that. It was a typo. And let's try it again. So let's click on send. Okay. So we got the response with the comments array, which is having username me and text I like this articles. Okay. Now let's update another username. So here I will write someone else. Okay, and here I'll write I love this post. Okay, and I'll just click on send. So now as you can see, we got two comments with two different users. Okay, so we got both the comments, but there is a problem which we have to solve. So everything we write it is in server.js. Okay, so whenever we make changes, this server get update. So whatever data which is in the server also gets updates. So let's say if I kill the server, so control and backtick key, and let's do control C. Now I have killed the server, and if I restart the server, so npm run server and hit enter, so now again the server is started. Okay, started on port 8000, and if I go to postman and if I click on send button, so as you can see, we are getting only one comment and the another comment is deleted. So this is not the correct way. Okay, so we need to fix this. So we should get all the comments. So to fix this, we will be using database. So that we will see in the next video. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.